Shoulda made not me blind, put him in cloud, and I made no K-Rod. Put him in cock and the cock and the pop and the drop and the trouble like enemy niggas. They keep on the trigger, I figured it people that even in the liver, the triple they got them back when I've been on the temple. Niggas in the group, cause the bloody them, I'm out on the clipping, the slipping, get tripping, I'm flipping on lip. Niggas are dropping the musical style. Shoulda made not me blind, put him in cloud, and I made no K-Rod. Put him in cock and the cock and the pop and the drop and the trouble like enemy niggas. They keep on the trigger, I figured it people that even in the liver, the triple they got them back when I've been on the temple. Niggas in the group, cause the bloody them, I'm out on the clipping, the slipping, get tripping, I'm flipping on lip. Niggas are dropping the musical style. Kill them, crank your blasted bitches, killing them when they skipping, pippin', triple six, don't want your band. Bitch, we have no fucking witness, fucking witness, fucking witness.
I got a street sweeper just to keep these player-headed niggas up on my back. But yet I'm always the center of attention. Pimpin' ass niggas on this MC Mac. You best believe I'm packing ammunition for these buster snitches. Staining, robbing, ain't no thing. A building went from racks to riches. Hustling on the track, my ends is stacking. Cause I'm breaking helpers. Make my cheese bitch break your knees. Goddamn, Mac is clever. Busters trying to play a hate me, but they cannot aggravate me. Dropping salt off in my game, but MC Mac will never change. I'm cheapin' like an Indian, and that's the type of stage I'm in. I'm blasted with this yawking trick. We staining like a fucking wasp. Provoke me, joke me, play me, make me fuck your bitch ass, pull your car. We creepin' late at night with them things on the rooter proof. Trick, let's see who's hard. I ask myself the question, why these watermelon niggas wanna crack my pimpin'? Jealous cause I'm white on gold and sweating these hoes up out they clothes. So brace yourself for the impact of the Mac. This ain't the first of the month and we breaking bones and having blasted bitches. Also be a witness, be a witness.
bluff up in the nigga when I'm creeping for a killing. When you beat this lips, the magic clicks, so you beat this with no patience. So in the mid, it's wicked like that. From the book just to your grades, bullets flare. Ripping and stripping the homo, getting 1, 2 shreds. Pimp shit killers, kinda men, I left them bitches scared from horror. Other folks said that I told you sufferer. In them chambers, the morning, the crying, cause eternally they torment the burning. In the bottom of my speech, I raise it back up, but you niggas were quick just like the heave of dead. My master would there for powers to devour you bitches to burn in hell. I'm clicking with madness from them trippers, this killer demons. The anger that's in me, it's got me spitting bitches scratch, man. I'm looking up, creeping, here come the scamming, sneaking in to drop a mention bomb and leave bodies in the slums. I kill a clap massacre, leaving the bitches to run of them ditches. One bitches, some demons glitch on bitches, then they rip them in pieces. No love, bitch.
Yeah, this MC Mack with the click, the killer clan, you know what I'm saying? Coming at your ass for the 9-6, my nigga K-Rock and Scan Man, and I'm about this bitch hoe.